Now us as a company, but more importantly to the companies who tested those initial knives in their production factories. So from that feedback, we obviously still take on feedback. We saw improvements we could make. Second generation comes, and from that second generation, we've had a couple of really progressive companies take on board the leap into technology and have now put it into place. Now they've been running now for a couple of months, so we're still receiving more and more information. But I can tell you now, the feedback has transformed the finger jointing process for them. We will deliver in another video very soon what sort of production increases we managed to reach out of that. But the TCT knife in the replaceable cutter system has been a leap into the technology of a great that we could not even thought we would reach. We expected a better position, but not to the level we've got. So look, that will all be released out. We'll get case studies and all that coming soon when we're all really comfortable where we're at. But where we see us right here in 26 is, I believe that this technology with a carbide can even go further into softwood. Like the technology we get now into the carbide technology, the brazing, the accuracy we get, and then the way we finish it off to get the sharpness now, I can see that we can significantly disrupt the process even for 4mm, 6, 10mm finger joints in softwood. Yeah. So that comes into pine moldings, that come into GLT and CLT production, and also semi-structural products like posts, etc., that are made out of whether it be radiata or slash pine or yellow southern, it's called in other places, or aquia or etc.